Positive opinion for Gilead's Hepcludex. Gilead Sciences has announced that the Committee for Medicinal Products for Human Use of the European Medicines Agency, EMA, has provided a positive opinion for Hepcludex. Also known as bulevirtide, the therapy concerns adults with chronic hepatitis delta virus, HDV, and compensated liver disease. Meanwhile, the recommendation grants full marketing authorization, MA, which will no longer be subject to certain obligations. Next news. CRY showcases digital care pathways. CRY, a company focused on digital healthcare, is launching a number of digital care pathways to transform treatment approaches for chronic respiratory diseases, CRDs, such as asthma, lung cancer and chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, COPD. The new pathways will help early diagnosis, prevention and wider management of the conditions. It is also hoped that integrated digital healthcare can complement and enhance primary care access. Next news. Otsuka's Lupkynis receives NICE green light. Otsuka Pharmaceuticals has revealed that the National Institute for Health and Care Excellence, NICE, has recommended Lupkynis in combination with mycophenolate mofetil, MMF. The treatment has been developed as a therapy for adults with active lupus nephritis. Next news. Protalix. Chiesi challenged Sanofi with EU approval for Fabry disease med as FDA decision looms. After many stops and starts, the companies have finally scored a marketing approval in Europe for PRX-102, pagunigulcidase alpha, an enzyme replacement therapy for the rare, genetic, progressive disorder, which causes an accumulation of fatty deposits in the lysosomes and strikes roughly 1 in 50,000. The authorization is based on results from a clinical program that has tested PRX-102 in more than 140 patients with up to 7.5 years of treatment. Next news. COVID-19 tracker. WHO ends global health emergency. After more than 3 years, WHO said COVID-19 no longer represents a global health emergency. Plus, CDC Director Rochelle Walensky is stepping down. Next news. Serum Institute doubles its stake in Biocon Biologics to $300 million. After teaming up in a partnership last year, the Serum Institute of Life Sciences is doubling its stake in biosimilar manufacturer Biocon Biologics to $300 million. Next news. Teva Pharmaceutical Industries completed the sale, PDF, of its manufacturing facility in Goa, India, to Marksans Pharma for an undisclosed price. Teva wraps up sale of India manufacturing facility to Marksans. Next news. FDA approves first RSV vaccine, a long-sought scientific achievement. The Food and Drug Administration on Wednesday licensed the first ever vaccine for respiratory syncytial virus, or RSV, completing an elusive quest that has been decades in the making. The product, GSK's Arexvy, was approved for adults ages 60 and older. Next news. Amid booming demand, Novo to hold back some doses of obesity drug Wegovy for new US patients. Novo Nordisk, the maker of the wildly popular obesity drug Wegovy, said Thursday it would temporarily limit some starter doses for new patients in the United States to ensure a steady supply for people already on the medication. The company will cut the supply of lower strength doses available that new patients start with, it said. Next news. Gilead foresees more growth in its HIV drugs. Gilead Sciences is famous, or perhaps, notorious, for its cure for hepatitis C, but the pharma giant believes the foundation of its company will continue to be its HIV franchise, particularly the pre-exposure prophylaxis, PrEP, drugs that help prevent the infection.